All right, so in lesson 5.3, we talked about the rate of change being slope. Okay, we identified some key points that m is slope. That's the variable that we're going to use in an equation. And more importantly, we know that m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 if we have the coordinates x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay? We talked about it very briefly in the lesson. I don't expect you really to remember it yet. That slope-intercept form is of the equation y equals mx plus b. This is slope-intercept form, where m is your slope and b is your start value, or more mathematically, we can call it the y-intercept. Okay, so here's a new vocab term for us, y-intercept. So when we graph, we start with our b value. That b value is going to be going up or down. And then we use the slope to find our next point. So I'm going to write that out. Start by going up or down, and that's based off b. And then after that, use m to find second point. So let's look at the first one. We have y equals 2x minus 4. We are going to start at negative 4 because b is negative 4. All right, so b negative 4. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. We make a point at negative 4. Now our slope is 2, which can be rewritten as a fraction of 2 over 1, which means go up 2 to the right 1. So we're going to go up to 1, 2 to the right 1. Up to 1, 2 to the right 1. Right? And as you can see, I can do this as many times as I want. They're always going to be on the same line. So that's our first one. Let's take a look at our second one. In our second one, we're going to start at positive 4. Our slope tells us to go down 5 to the right 4. It's down because the 5 was negative. So we're going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this situation, we could only fit 2 points in. Then the last one's a weird one. We have x equals 4. This is a situation where there is no slope or undefined slope because it does not fit the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, so here we would just have a vertical line at x equals 4.